Guys, I'm Vicky and today we'll be doing a cleanup of my room. It's in a complete mess. You are so much welcomed to my channel. Let's have fun cleaning together. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and to share. Let's get started. Guys, the room is in a total and complete mess. Whose room is this? Who lives here? Wow. For now, I'll just disown the room. This is not my room. Not until it's well done. So, clean using the mop. You see, I've already removed the bed sheets and all the pillows and all the things on the side table, and boom, they're done. I've arranged them well. It looks good. What do you think? I've made the bed already, and I thought of putting the laundry basket over there because where can it fit? Only there. What's remaining? So don't worry about that. I normally use it much to walk whenever I go for long distance because I have a problem with my leg, but it will be okay with time. I tried to fit in that small group over there, but I feel like it should be down there, but then again, it doesn't look good there, so I just decided to remove it. And the shoe, for those of us who wear white shoes, you know what I'm doing, huh? When you wash them, you'll have to cover them with a tissue. You know the hassle that we all go through. We cover them with a tissue so that the tough stains do not stick on top of the shoes. And once they dry up, you'll have to remove the tissue so that you can wear it. And it normally looks good. It retains its color. You can use that hack whenever you wash your white shoes. We're done with the shoe rack. Now I decided to put that duvet over there. I'll maybe take it when I want to sleep, but I think it looks good over there rather than on top of the bed. So we are done with the cleaning and arranging the room. I think I've tried because I've used whatever I have to make the room look good. This was the before. Oh, it really looks bad, but here is the after. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning of my room and I'm so excited because it really looks good and it's so nice, like it's so conducive. So let me know in the comment section how often you clean your room. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.